This is just a quick video of my personal bike. Pardon for the water droplets and it being dirty, but I actually ride this bike and I rode it in the rain today. What makes this bike unique is it is a Stage 4 2019 Road King Special. So this baby is 117 cubic inches. And this bike moves. I'm still breaking in the motor, so I'll do an extensive review after I break it in, get some miles under me. But man, you can feel the difference, let me tell you. It has pistons, heads, throttle body, injectors, clutch, cams. We're just doing a quick little video under the carport. I'm going to start it up for you guys. Vance and Hines, slip-ons. It screams. You can do this to your bike as well. Just come on in, talk to our parts and service managers, and we can hook it up.